Morning, guys. I am out here with the truck. I got it almost all together last night. I just had to put oil in it this morning. I've already done that. Everything else is buttoned up. It's full of coolant. All my filters are replaced. Pretty much everything's hooked up. Batteries are charged. Batteries are hooked up. So the next step is to see if this thing will fire up and run. And 100% honest, I have not even hit the start button once yet, so we're about to find out together whether this thing actually fires up and runs, or fires up and runs right, or fires up and runs away and blows up. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna move my step out of the way in case the clutch doesn't let go for some reason, so I don't run over my step. Got the transmission all together. You don't want to try and start it with the transmission top cover off. You'll sling oil everywhere. So, okay, we got power. That doesn't feel quite right. I'm gonna have to adjust that clutch. Oh, blew a rat nest out of that J-pipe. But it's alive. Hell yeah. Now let's see if we're pissing anything anywhere. No coolant leaking. Look at all that shit that blew out of the J-pipe. Wow. I'd say there was some busy birds or rats or whatever it was that made a nest in there. So, that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you swap an engine in an M35A2 by yourself and have it fire up on the first try. Thanks for following along on the journey with me. I hope there's been some real useful information that will help you guys do the same project yourself on this. Last thing I'll mention is, if you're doing this by yourself and you don't have a wrecker to lift it with, you need something that'll lift at least probably 3 tons. The engine weighs about 1,800 pounds, 1,900 pounds dressed. The transmission, 250, maybe 350, something around that. So you're looking at just over 2,000 pounds. And you don't want to be right at your limit with your lifting devices. So just keep that in mind. If you're going to do this, do it safe. If that engine falls, it will kill you, take a limb off, kill somebody else. So be careful when you're doing it and have fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.